guys.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Suzie.
Whole lot of salt in that water. But anyways, it's your girl Naja.
Back again with part 3 of Christmas crafts.
Yourself. A merry little Christmas. Yeah. On time.
I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you.
If you have not seen our recent videos, go ahead and check those out. We're coming back to back with these Christmas crafts and just Christmas all around, because this is what we're trying to do. Bring out the end of this year with a bang. So let's get started. Like, we've been waiting on this specific craft just to see what it's gonna look like. So she's gonna let y'all know what's up, even though you can see by the title.
We're making snow globes.
Girl, I'm gonna need a little bit of energy.
We're making snow globes, you heard?
Bro, we making snow
We're making
globes.
snow globes.
Come on,
like,
bro.
come on out. It's snow globes. And we're gonna read the instructions because
we
don't
have no
really
idea
know
what
we're gonna do.
We're gonna read the instructions, gain some knowledge,
First
but
we're gonna open it.
yeah. So once we get our knowledge in, we're gonna start working on the stuff that goes inside of the snow globe. I can just open it, and we sort of kind of figure out what we're gonna do. So if you rocking with us and you want to watch the whole video so that you can make your own little snow globe, then keep on watching. We're gonna start painting our little ornament. She already opened hers. She couldn't wait. She was ready. She was about that.
I just want to know how it goes. It smells good.
So this is my little cinnamon over here. Big man out here delivering the present. We just gonna get some colors here and put it on our little palette right here. Girl,
You smell right here, right?
you got googly eyes on your jacket.
Where?
Look. Lift it up. It's on your forearm. Y'all, we diving deep.
Where? This one?
It look like you smelled your armpits just then.
I don't see it.
Turn your jacket around a little bit.
Oh, I see.
Oh my gosh.
It is. I didn't even know it was there.
So she started painting hers already.
Yeah. Just giving that little blue. Ah. You guys see that? Yeah. Artist work. Yeah, just doing a little this and that and stuff, and get a little dip, and then having a little, yeah. You see it?
Show them the dip. Go ahead.
The dip.
Right there.
And, yeah. The water like brings out the more efficient color and stuff, Dip. Yeah.
Yeah, man, this is how we get it. Down and dirty. You got paint already on your hands. That's how you got to
See, that's how you just know.
Paint, y'all. This all that paint. It's been about 3 days, and today is the 23rd. So we were recording on Friday, but this one had homework.
Yeah.
So we were doing that, and we figured we'll just pick up today. So we finished painting our ornaments.
Ta-da! Last time y'all saw my penguin, it was looking,
Green,
and
and then she decided to make it black. But you actually kept the colors on the face.
Yeah. So I changed like the yellow first color that.
Is neat. So now,
Yellow 360.
I guess.
She
Get in
had her
your
Santa
bag.
Claus black.
Black Santa all day, every day.
Black
BLM. But yeah,
BLM.
Black Lives Matter.
Oh my gosh! We got a fox now. And we're gonna. It's called fox.
It's faux. The X is silent.
All right, so we're just gonna sprinkle like some into the thing. Should I grab my hand?
I don't want to touch it. I don't know what it is.
I feel like I want to touch it. You're gonna fill it up. Well, no, don't fill it up too much. So.
That's good enough?
Yeah, I think so. Like something. I was like, smell. Oh my!
Ha!
Oh, you put it in here, I think. Oh yeah, I'd hold it.
That makes sense.
What was that? Is that a
Dang,
hole?
you had one job.
I didn't know.
Look
I
at
didn't see
that.
the hole. How I feel?
I don't know, like paper.
Yeah.
Brush that to the side.
Okay. I mean, this is like go out the hole.
Hey, Merry Christmas and Happy Holiday. Merry Christmas. I was listening to that earlier. That's a lie. You
I
gonna
know.
tell me?
I wanted to wait. Hold on.
I want a lot too. The
All right,
heck?
here.
Y'all look at this.
I want to see like how it's gonna be.
Ooh,
And then look.
snow.
This is gonna fall down. All of this snow is gonna be like here, right? And then it's gonna go up. But I'm gonna play it in slow motion just to see how it looks. Alright, slow. No, that's not what I want. Okay,
We need to add water.
I know.
We need more.
Yeah, I think we do. Well, I know we do.
Money bad, money bad. I'm just getting all over the place. Alright.
More.
Alright.
Oh my god, when you touch it, it feels so good.
Oh, it's so snowy.
Oh, I never touched snow, so I don't really know. But
Yeah, I've never seen snow. So
Alright.
I didn't think it was real when I was younger. I thought it was just on TV.
Alright.
Alright, so now we add the water. Huh?
I feel like if you like put a whole bunch of this in like, oh, I'm gonna add the little things. Add some. Yeah. I'm gonna add some of these.
Some
Maybe
of our snow.
snowballs or something like that.
Snowballs.
Alright.
Y'all, we been out here working, man,
Alright.
with these videos. I hope you guys are enjoying this marathon of Suzie and family.
Hi, I'm family. Alright, here. I added like a top layer. I don't want to add a lot. Yeah, they go everywhere. They feel soft too. The whole thing is just so soft. So I mix it in.
Where is it opened at? Where did you open it
The
at?
top.
Why you open it so sloppy? Look.
Oh, don't do that way. I did the other way, I think. I don't know. I don't know that way.
All right, so I got a cup of water here. Get your cup of water and you just pour it in here.
Go crazy. I think you're supposed to fill it up, I believe.
Let's get closer.
We should have like a napkin here too.
Ooh, pretty. It's dripping all over my table, but pretty. Oh, I get it. Look. Yo, that's a perfect thumbnail. It's not moving.
Because you didn't put the thing in yet and stuff.
All right, I'll wait.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's so pretty. I should have did a close up.
Alright, now.
Hold on, let me record it with my phone.
Back up some. So funny.
See, you guys. Look at the snow, the faux
Let's get in
snowballs. And some of them are floating to the bottom. Oh, move your hand. Oh, look at that. I wish it would move already, but that's what it looks like.
You gotta shake it off, I think. And like when you have the pink one and stuff in there.
Okay.
Alright, should we put it in now?
Yeah.
Alright. There we go. Put it like this. Oh my god. Hopefully it doesn't fall. And
Oh,
we
no.
lock it.
Lock it in place.
It looks so bigger.
Oh my gosh, you are fat Santa.
Right. Oh my god. And then you tie the thingy thing.
And then you got your cover here, you
I've
guys.
tie it before, you know.
Oh my gosh.
And
Voila!
it looks. I told you. Okay, maybe we should have added a little less.
A little less, but
Oh my god.
we get the point.
You get the point. You get the point.
Dang, I wish we could take out some. We put too much.
No, it's the balls that's making everything float with it.
But you could barely see homeboy.
Right.
Dang. I want to take it out and take out some.
Yeah. Get a spoon or something.
Let's see. You think he wet?
I mean, yeah.
Be careful. Be careful. Oh Lord, look at my snowman. Poor little Tink Tink. Look at him.
Tink Tink.
We done took him out.
Oh my God. Can you take mine out? I'm scared.
Hold on. Of course you would put it right next to your phone.
Oh. Oh my God.
Look at him. He done fell in the ice. What's the floor when you go ice skating?
What? Ice water?
Yeah, he fell in the ice water, but the floor is the pond, I guess. I don't know. I think this should be the pond. For real.
Yeah. Now I need more water.
Take some of my water because it looks like it's too much.
Man, that look.
Y'all, we figuring it out.
Yeah, we're getting there. I think because like when I took some out, we had to put the water with it. No, I think you need some water too, because remember it's supposed to be like full with water. Oh, SnowGlobe.
I feel like I have too much snow. Y'all, what are we supposed to do? It's too much. It's too much in there.
Why is there no YouTube video on this? Oh, well, it's gonna be one. Hey, us. What's the hashtag original content?
Right? I think it should be like that. Yeah, we should have just put less. We was overdoing it.
Yeah, we just.
Alright, but I'm gonna get more water.
I feel like it was the little balls that was making it like stay at the top. Cause like, did they float and stuff? Yeah, I don't know what it was. What's on the two in there?
You feel like what?
Those little balls that was making it float up.
Oh yeah. Or whatever, the figurine inside of it, it pushes the water down. Ooh,
Right.
that's what it's supposed to do when you fill it up.
Right.
All of them are supposed to fall to the bottom. See, look, when you push it in, the water comes up more. So you don't want to put too much. Oh, this thing heavy now.
Right? That's all just. Oh my God! Look.
Okay, there
I
it
didn't even
is.
shake it though. Yeah, I did put too much water, but like, yeah, y'all get the point. Oh my God! It looks like
Look.
a oh my God! Y'all see this?
All right, you guys, so we figured it out and we only put a little bit of this. If you want to put these little balls in there, just put a little bit. But the goal is to fill it with water.
Oh my God! Look at mine. I had like really shook it like this.
You gotta keep on shaking it.
It's like, oh my God! Oh, y'all see that? Y'all see that? I know y'all see that. Even though it made my little penguin look so big, and it's really not. Put it all to the bottom.
Keep on shaking it. Santa Claus about to deliver these presents.
As he should. Oh, when you put it upside down, all the stuff can go to the bottom now. Look, see?
I see all the little balls in there still.
Yeah, I see like, I have like 2 in there.
So I have like 20. But that's my dog, Santa Black. I hope you enjoyed part 3, right? Part 3. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give a thumbs up. Check out all the other videos that we've done so far. This has been a pleasure.
And comment down below which craft did you like the best.
Yes.
Our personal favorite.
It's the snowman. That's why we saved it
For last.
Snowball.
Snowball?
Snowball.
Oh, snowball.
Yeah. SnowGlobe.
SnowGlobe.
We tripping right now. That's it for today's video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell.
Oh, it's Goofy Day.
Hit that bell for post notifications for whenever we do upload a video. You'll be notified right away. And be sure to follow me on Instagram at ITSS_Suzie with 2 E's. And follow me on Snapchat where I post little hints here and there as to what video is coming up next. So that is also in the description down below. And Merry Christmas. We out of here.
I'm happy to Christmas.